A car is moving in a circular horizontal track of radius 10 meter with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. A bob is suspended from the roof of the car by a light wire of length 1 meter. The angle made by the wire with the vertical is okay. Assume this is the bob. This is the bob. It will be suspended from the roof of the car. I'm going to take here. This is one bob. A circle here. One bob is there, and roof of the car by a light wire of length 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter. Then the angle made by the wire with the vertical axis. So here if it is there, if it is what is this angle? For example, if this is there, then in this direction, for example, I'm going to assume this is the theta here. Then this in this direction, what is this point? So here I can write here, this is the gravitational force acting on in this direction, that is acceleration due to gravity, that is g, and this is velocity, that is v square by the respect, that is with respect to the radius, that is r. Okay, and what about this angle is there suspended? This angle is also equal to the theta. Okay, then we need to find the angle theta. We need to find this angle here. Okay, we know that the it is we can define this one in terms of the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, we know that v square by r whole divided by g. Then we can write this one as v square divided by r times g. R times g. Then theta is equal to that is a tan inverse of v square divided by r into g. And they are given here the constant speed, that is 10 meters per second. This is the velocity, and the length is equal to 1 meter. If I want to substitute this value, then I am getting tan inverse is equal to v is equal to v square, that is a 10 into 10 divided by acceleration due to gravity, that if I am going to take this is 10 meters per second, and R value I am going to take it is equal to this is, so that is a 10 into acceleration due to gravity, I will take 10. Then if this will get cancelled, then this becomes 1. Then a tan 1 is nothing but the 45 degree. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but the 45 degree. Then theta is equal to 45 degree is the right answer. But here they are given in terms of pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. This is wrong. Pi by 6 is equal to 180 by 6 is equal to 18 by 6, that is a 30 degree. This is also, it is wrong. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. This is the right answer. Option C is the right answer.